friends to fight, just lonely sounds coming out their hearts. We hold those constantly looking towards our direction and wanting to say something to us. May I ask, your master is can help the man save them from the intense cold. Officer, I will now take you souls out and you can speak to them. Mr. Yan, good can I ask you also if you can stand the cold? So I am Marley, just 18 years and I am so cold that I don't even have the strength to keep my hands and legs up. Now and I am on the verge of shot. Officer, General, please give the naval officer to drink so that he can enforce that his general here with you. Please this ginger to tell his gentleman why you are here, so that when they return to Earth,